Caramelized onions require a little TLC, but they're worth the effort. Here's everything you need to know to transform humble onions into delectable treats. First, caramelization is a two-part process. Part 1, removal of water, and Part 2, breakdown of sugars. Second, this is going to take a while. Caramelized onions take anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes to make, so we better get started. Place a large cast iron or steel pan over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil, and 2 large yellow onions sliced 1/8 of an inch thick. Stir for 4 to 6 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Reduce heat to medium-low and keep it there for the remainder of the cooking time. Low heat allows for a slow structural change to occur, giving the onions time to reduce and to gain their characteristic soft texture. Next, we'll add a pinch of salt. This will help the onions release their water content as they begin to sweat. Onions are 89% water, and most of that water needs to evaporate before caramelization can even begin. That's why caramelized onions take so long to make. After about 30 minutes, the onions have just started to turn golden, which means caramelization has begun. A chemical change is taking place, sugars are breaking down, and the onions are taking on a totally new flavor. Continue to cook until the level of caramelization suits your tastes or your needs. I'm looking for a medium amber brown. Perfect. For an optional boost of flavor, deglaze your pan with a 1/4 cup of liquid. The onions will absorb the liquid along with any tasty bits stuck to the pan. With our caramelized onions, we're making a baked flatbread with peaches, goat cheese, rosemary, and prosciutto. Nutty, delicious, sweet. Time well spent, don't you think? Happy caramelizing.